Hi, it's RK Home Tuitions. It's very happy that you are going to become a great part of RK Home Tuitions. Before taking a tuition, please be very clear with the area where you are going to get the tuition, whether you are comfortable with that area or not. And second important thing is about the subject and the class. And third important thing is about the remuneration what you are going to get. If you are very comfortable with these three things, then only go for the registration. Before getting registration, please be very careful about our instructions, our teaching method, about our procedure, what we are going to follow. If you are very comfortable with these things, then you can get registration. For registration, you have to submit two photographs, two different ID proofs, and your Xerox copies of certificates and registration fee. Tuition application form. Second page. Instructions for tutors are given. Please read carefully. Should talk in English. The tutors must speak in English and make the student to talk best English. Respect the counselors and follow their instructions. Counselors will come to your tuition monthly once or twice to take feedback from the parents and from the students and to guide you to support you in all the directions. Tutors must maintain exact timings. Don't make the students to wait for you. Don't use mobile phones in the tuitions. Chatting, games, playing games in the mobiles is completely prohibited in the tuition. Prepare the dealing subject thoroughly before going to the class. Don't do any preparation in front of the students in the tuition room. Don't waste the student's time. Verification of classworks and school diaries is compulsory for the school students. Please conduct exams in the tuition. Please conduct the exams by using the board. Please give to the student a question paper and ask him to explain on the board. By that you will come to know exactly whether the student understood the concept or not. And you can save your time and you can improve confidence levels of the student subject and you can improve their body language and communication skills. Day by day, the improvement must be in the student. Create a comfortable environment to the student. No financial dealing between tutors and the parents. The parent never pay single MP to the tutor. Tutor will get the payments only from the management in fixed date and agreed payments only. First three classes will be given as a demo classes. It is just for formality. Being a selected tutor, never give a choice to the parent or to the student to reject you. If the tutor is rejected, if there is a problem from the tutor side, the management is not responsible to show any other tuitions. If there is a problem from the parent or from the student side, suppose if they shifted or if they are not interested, the management will be utilized your services. If you want to take leaves, definitely compulsory the parent and the management permission must be there. You have to inform to them. It's compulsory. Please be regular to the student. Don't trouble to the student. Before taking the tuition itself, decide whether you can continue the tuition total academic year or not. In the time of your examination or in the time of your important works, no tutor can be taken leaves 10 days or more than that. No tutor have the right to punish the student, even to scold them. Make the student be very comfortable in the tuition. If the behavior of the tutor is not well and good, serious action will be taken by the management. The booklet is given to you. We'll explain to you very clearly how to use the booklet. If the tutor not used the booklet completely, 500 minimum penalty will be there. For the first month, the tutor will get only half of the payment. If your tuition is package course or any other category course, then management will be explained to you very clearly what deduction will be in the first month. Salary will be given by the management only according to fixed date, agreed payment only through your account, directly in the office or in tuition home. Tutor cannot share the tuition with any other person. Unfortunately, if the tutor want to stop the tuition, please inform to the management and to the parent before 10 days to get the previous payments.